Morning folks. It's cold today, shit. It's currently 4 degrees in here. I didn't work. Really struggled to get up this morning. Oh, I forgot to put diesel in the diesel heater. Okay, that would be why it's cold then. There we go. Oh wow. Oh, what a treat. Oh, I love it. Hang on a minute. You know what we need here, don't you? There's only one song that can be played right now. Good times, eh? Good times. But now, of course, I come back into the van and it's absolutely boiling in here. So, slightly different and love it even more. I love this when it's like this. It's freezing outside and now it's lovely and cosy in here. Oh, it's brilliant. For those of you that are new and haven't gone back and watched the playlist, I'll just give you a real quick 20-second montage of what last winter looked like. Roll that. I'm going to make another coffee. Morning everyone. How are you all doing? Remember how I said I think something will just click and there'll be that deep freeze. Gas struts are frozen. Fuck. Seriously, I made that winter van life tips video last year when it was just starting to get, you know, freezing over there. The best piece of advice, the best thing you can get is that. The heat that gives off just can't compare to a diesel heater or any heater, I don't think. That it's amazing and it's free. And it's not costing me any power. Look at this, look, there's snow outside. I'm on 13 volts. This time last year I was on about 11. Oh my god, I've missed this so much. So bloody much. I'm gonna go for a little wander, see what's about. There we go. Sun's out properly now, so the snow's probably gonna start melting. I've got no idea where we are, by the way, so I can't really talk about it. Somewhere near Sheffield. Oh, I want to ski. There's that wind. Should have wore a beanie. This is mental. I am an hour and a half, give or take, drive from where I was before. And now we've got this. I'm such a moron. I'm really tempted, you know, to go up to Scotland and ski. What do you reckon? You lot fancy a trip to Scotland? God, I think I've gone a bit snow blind. Should have got me sunglasses. Can't see anything. See the van up, hidden away in the trees. There we go. What's a bench there? Not bad. You know, it genuinely feels very similar to when I first left for Europe on my own. It really does. I've been wanting to get back to this sort of mode for so long. Just like seeing, you know, new places, being in new places and discovering and going off, taking pictures and getting excited about videos, and it's just, I love it. I don't know why I've been so detached from this for so long. The only difference here is everyone speaks the same language as me, which is kind of useful. Can't complain, at least I'm somewhere, you know. Let's go make a cuppa. Right folks, I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna go over to the other side of the peaks, I think. Look at this. Oh god. So awesome. Hang on a minute. Who's this then? What are the chances of that? There we go, in convoy with Mr. Terrible himself. Oh, I can't wait to struggle up this hill. She didn't half struggle going up here, I tell you. Oh, this is... I might have to go first. I have to do a fast gear change into first. Jesus Christ. There he is. How you doing? What are the chances of that?
I weren't actually coming up here.
But I weren't coming here either.
Were you?
No, I don't know where I was going.
Where were you coming from?
Near Sheffield, I was at some reservoir. Just had a little catch up with Liam. Good to see you again, buddy. So yeah, I think I'm going to carry on now to where I was going. Not sure how much further it is from here, but... car park before, but oh, look at that view. Mega. I do like this spot. The only downside is I've got pretty much no internet, which isn't the end of the world. It also means I can't really do a lot. Yeah, that's gone off now. I'll have a coffee and think about it. There you go, look, winner, winner. I decided to move in the end because it'll piss me off not having internet. Literally come 1 minute down the road, much more signal, and actually a better view. So I always say it, don't I? If you're not happy with a spot, just move, because you'll find one that's more suitable for what you need. And I want to hang out in the morning like I normally do and edit a video. So. This is good, folks. Look at this. That's not bad. The latest video has been going down well, so I hope you enjoyed me getting blown around by the wind. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you all tomorrow.